Hey everybody, we're rolling out pita bread, and I just wanted to give you a peek inside my new electric oven, which I had a gas oven before. So when I made the whole wheat pita bread on the recipe, I was baking it on the bottom rack because on a gas oven the heat comes from the bottom, but on an electric oven it comes from the top. So you can see my pita bread puffed up perfectly. And we are having a Middle East feast with hot, fresh, protective diet pita bread. If you haven't given this recipe a try, it's a must. It's so rewarding to have your pita bread puff up and open up in pockets. Really easy to roll out, simple protective diet pantry ingredients. And I'm having it with the baba ganoush. As you can see here, my baba ganoush is nice and chunky with the roasted eggplant. That's what we're going for. And I'm going to stuff that inside my fresh hot pita with some, I'm working on a recipe for a Jerusalem salad. This is a creamy Jerusalem salad, traditionally made with tahini, but I'm making it creamy without the fat of the sesame seed paste. And I'm going to top it with some of my protective diet za'atar spice mix, which is getting low. I need to give it a refill. If you haven't tried this recipe, give this one a shot. It adds so much flavor to any recipe, but to a Middle Eastern feast is what we're going for today. Hope you're all eating as well as Jerry and I are on a protective diet. I'm just putting this into a serving bowl so we can go ahead and start our feast. And I'll layer up our pita breads in here. And I've got 4 more to roll up or roll out, along with some baked tostadas, because we're talking about eating with Jerry and I here, and we never have a meal without some tostadas. Pretty much every day we're eating tostadas. And I've got my tuber tonic ready to go here. Sorry, I had my fan on to cool off the kitchen a little bit, and I'm going to heat this up. Hope you're eating as well as we are. Take care, everyone. Happy Sunday.